All right, everybody, come with me on the journey. Today, we're gonna make us some loaded fries. We starting, gonna need some fresh onions, some fries, fresh or frozen. Gonna go down with some oil here in this pan. And here we go with our ground turkey. You can use a ground beef or ground chicken, whatever you like. It all works with this. Then we're gonna go a little, what's them things we call caveman style? Gonna get us about half of this plate, which will be about 2 to 3 pounds of ground turkey. All right, now while that turkey is starting to brown, we're gonna go to this pot here on the back. Got it already turned on. We're going in with a half a stick of butter. While that's melting, we're gonna start slicing up an onion. Get all these peels off and out the way. And now we're gonna cut some thin slices of this onion. Yeah. Y'all see that knife through that onion? Ooh, that's kind of thin. Little skill. All right, now that we got it sliced up, we're gonna go over into this pot with those onions. Cut that second onion up, did the same thing with it. Give it a little stir to make sure that butter coats everything, ain't burning. It's gonna take a while to cook. Now we're gonna break up our meat, make sure everything's getting brown, getting cooked evenly. Now we hit them onions with the M9AP seasoning a little bit. Put some more good flavor to that already good flavor of some onions. Once again, stirring. Got to make sure them things don't burn, because they will. And now we're going to start dropping our fries over in. That meat's just about done. Can't forget to stir them onions. So those are two things you got to focus on. The meat, them onions. They both are burned. And now we're going to drain our meat now that it's done cooking. Back on the pan. The M9AP seasoning makes an appearance again. Hit that baby down. Mix them spices over in. Get that good fragrance in your house. Good flavors ready for your tongue. Again, stir your onions because they will burn on you. The first batch of fries are done. We scooping them babies out. It might be a little distance from the camera, but y'all see that. That's the golden brown. What is it called? The GBD, golden brown and delicious. Of course, M9AP seasoning. Ready for everything. Again, stir your onions. Don't let them burn, because they will. But it's getting there. They're getting tender on us right now. It's low heat, not high heat. And it's going to take at least 30 minutes. Never seen this before. Was looking for some Rico's cheese. They didn't have it. But I found this Ragu box cheese that I've never seen before. So this day we gave it a shot. You see me reading instructions. I ain't never used these things before. So we're going to shake it up. Lift up the little flaps. Had a slight slow moment. I saw the squeeze part and just went to squeezing. But you're about to see, I forgot to tear this little top piece off. It wouldn't make sense if they broke open that easy. Alright. And that's what it looks like on the inside. And we're just going to get it out into the bowl. And yes, it does look processed. But hey, we paid for it. We're going to eat it. As long as it don't taste disgusting. Hey, do I need to say it again? Stir your onions. Alright, put that processed cheese up in the microwave. Put it on the time the box recommended. Onions getting closer to done. Take more stirring. Look at that. Just about there. Another little check later. And they're basically done. But we're going to let them cook while we clean up and everything. You got to clean your space. Get ready for some plating. Here goes a taste of that cheese. It wasn't nothing special. But it's edible. It's actually okay. So shout out to Ragu. Y'all helped out that day. And now our onions are done. Alright, so we going down with them beautiful GBD fries. And this is me. I need more than that little bitty. Chef's taste. Alright, now we're going down with this processed cheese. It was good though. Get a good amount of that. Make sure your fries are good and covered. Alright, now we're going to hit it with them caramelized onions. This for the grown folks and the kids who know something about some real flavor. My kids ain't the biggest fan of onions or beans or anything else that's real flavor. All right, so once your onions down, we're going to hit it with that ground turkey. Hit another layer of cheese on there. Y'all remember them pickled jalapenos I made? This ain't them. I got kids. They broke my goddamn jar. But got some store-bought pickled jalapenos going over top. And of course, gonna hit it with the M9 barbecue sauce. That's the original, taking it to a whole nother level. It's a little thick, might take a second to come down, but there it go. Get that drizzle all over there. Make sure that flavor get through that whole dish. That's a beautiful topping. Now here goes your finished product. These loaded, layered fries. Ready to eat. That's a man's plate. Or a grown woman. Or somebody with a big belly. Look at that goodness all on that fork. Give it a taste. It was so good. I tried to go back for my onion, but it wasn't ready for that bite. But yeah, that's it. Y'all enjoy that.